how much to rent a U-Haul truck. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to discuss how much does it cost to rent a U-Haul truck, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you are trying to figure out how much does it cost to rent a U-Haul truck, the answer is quite simple. Go to uhaul.com. all you have to do is right here you'll find this form of where you can find the rates. So first select the pickup location on which you want the truck to be picked up from, and then after that you can select the pickup date. If you want to enter a drop-off location, which is quite optional by the way, you can do this later, but for now we just want to find out the price, so we'll tap the get rates option. The price could vary on an average of $19, so it will be above $19 for up to $60 depending upon how much ever days you want to rent a truck for. And you can also see trucks, or whether you want a truck and towing or vehicle towing, or truck and trailers, or you want a trailers. Depending upon what else you prefer, you will be able to see this price range over here, and now you can select them, complete the booking and follow the other instructions. But to give you a basic idea, this is how much it costs to rent a U-Haul truck. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.